Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are staying home and taking good care of yourself. This is class 9th and I am your Pakistani studies teacher. It is video lesson number 2 of week 5. Today we will study the following topic of chapter number 3, land and environment, and the topic is climatic conditions of Pakistan. Before starting our lecture, let's have a brief review of the previous lecture. Pakistan has two plateaus, Potwar and Balochistan. Potwar Plateau is situated in the north of Salt Ranges. Balochistan Plateau is located in the west of Suleiman Range and Kirthar Range. Plains of Pakistan include Upper Indus Plain and Lower Indus Plain. Upper Indus Plain extends from the south of Potwar Plateau to Mithankot in the Punjab province. Below Mithankot, the river Indus forms the shape of a huge river and flows alone till it reaches Thatta. From there it falls into Arabian Sea. This whole area is called Lower Indus Plain. Learning objectives of today's lesson are regions of Pakistan with reference to temperature, rainfall conditions in Pakistan. Before starting our lecture, let's have a warm-up activity. Students, do you know the definition of climate? Okay, no problem. I am going to tell you that climate is the average pattern of weather of some place or a country over a long period. Now let's start our today's topic, climatic conditions of Pakistan. Regions of Pakistan with reference to temperature. Pakistan is divided into 4 regions with reference to land features. Number 1, the North and Northwest mountainous region. Number 2, the Upper Indus Plain. Number 3, the coastal area of Lower Indus Valley. Number 4, the plateau of Balochistan. Let's discuss these regions in detail. Number 1, the North and Northwest mountainous regions. Winters are extremely cold. In this region, temperature falls below freezing point. The summers are pleasant. Number 2, the Upper Indus Plain. Upper Indus Plain has a specific land climate. The plains are too hot during summers, temperature decreases in winter, and weather becomes pleasant. Number 3, the coastal area of Lower Indus Valley. In this valley, land and sea breezes decreases the intensity during the summer. Average temperature is 32 degrees centigrade. Rare cold weather is experienced. Number 4, the plateau of Balochistan. The plateau of Balochistan extremely cold during winter. Temperature is much higher during summer. Winds coming from north cause extreme cold weather. Now let's discuss the rainfall conditions in Pakistan. In Pakistan there are 2 rainy seasons. Number 1, monsoon rains in summer. Number 2, winter rains. Let's discuss the rainfall conditions in Pakistan. Number 1, monsoon rain in summer. An average of 50 inches rain is experienced annually between July and September in north. It decreases towards south and less than 10 inches of rainfall is experienced. Number 2, winter rains. Winter rains in northern plains during winter because of western winds, but it is too less to meet our needs. Farmers and other people face a lot of problems. Dams and canals need to be developed. Now let's review our today's lesson. Pakistan is divided into 4 regions with reference to land features. Number 1, the North and Northwest mountainous regions. Number 2, the Upper Indus Plains. Number 3, the coastal area of Lower Indus Valley. Number 4, the plateau of Balochistan. In Pakistan, there are 2 rainy seasons. Number 1, monsoon rains in summer. Number 2, winter rains. Now students, it's your home assignment. Read page number 62 till 64. Write question number 8 in your notebook. Lesson preview. Topic for next lecture: climatic regions of Pakistan. Thank you for keeping in touch with learning while staying at home. Allah Hafiz.